Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Google Analytics with no-code app tracking. Easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. To install Google Analytics with no-code app tracking, start by creating a Google Analytics account. Visit the Google Analytics website and click on the Start for Free button. Sign in with your Google account or create a new one if you don't have it. Once you're signed in, click on that admin gear icon in the lower left corner. In the Property column, select Create Property. Enter your property name, select your reporting time zone, and choose your currency. Click Next to proceed. Fill out the business information as prompted and click Create. Agree to the terms of service to finalize the property creation. After the property is created, you'll be taken to the Property Settings page. Click on Data Streams and then select Add Stream. Choose Mobile App from the available options. Select the platform for your app, either Android or iOS. For Android, enter your app's package name. For iOS, enter your App Store ID. Click Create Stream after filling in the required information. You'll see a measurement ID on the Stream Details page. Copy this ID. Now, open your app development platform or dashboard. If you're using a no-code platform like Glide, Adalo, or Bubble, locate the settings for analytics or tracking. Paste your measurement ID into the designated input field for Google Analytics. Ensure any other tracking settings are configured according to your app's requirements. Save your changes to implement the tracking setup. To verify that your tracking is working, open your app and perform some actions. Return to the Google Analytics dashboard and navigate to the real-time report. Check if your actions are being recorded in real time, confirming that tracking is active. Congratulations, you've successfully installed Google Analytics with no-code app tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.